Today, in HooptieDoodle's Goldwing Bobber build series, we are removing the old handlebars, installing new handlebars, and doing a slight modification. So the next step in our random disassembly of a motorcycle is to remove what's left of the brake system and the handlebars all in one shot. So right down here, there's a connection to remove, and then we'll remove the handlebars, and then everything can come off all together. Alright, so our next step is the removal of these Allen bolts here. You can see my Allen wrench in there already. I'd really love to get some handlebars on this beast here and see how it looks, if nothing else, just for fun. But before we do that, part of getting the handlebars on there, this, if you recall, I showed you this in an earlier video. This is the handlebar clamp, and that it came with the bike, and I don't like it. It's kind of heavy and big and clunky, and then it's got these initials in here which stand for Goldwing Road Riders Association. I'm not really interested in that. I'm not part of this association and all that stuff. So I think I'm gonna modify this to my liking, and then we're gonna clamp on some handlebars. So pay close attention to this. It's got the little filigree thing on the side. That's about all that's going to be left. You ready for a new part? I am. So this, my friends, is our new handlebar. There it is. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So I'm free to do what I want. The old time. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please check out the rest of the videos. We're doing a whole build series here, a very detailed build series, in the hopes that if you are thinking about building a motorcycle yourself, this will give you a great idea of what's involved and what to expect and how to do it. So stay tuned, check them out. And while you're at it, keep on wrenching, and we'll see you next time.